Hey there, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll be walking you step by step through how to design and print your very own custom labels at home using Canva. Whether you need labels for homemade products, organizing your pantry, or giving your brand a little extra flair, by the end of this video you'll be able to create gorgeous personalized labels that you can print yourself even if you're a complete beginner. Let's jump right in. To kick things off, let's head over to Canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, signing up is quick and free. Once you're on the homepage, look for the big purple Create a Design button, usually sitting at the top right. Click on that. This is your starting point for any new project in Canva, and from here you have full creative control. Next, in the search bar, type the word label. Canva will suggest all sorts of label templates, from product stickers to address labels and more. This is a great way to get inspired or find a size that matches your needs. Just select a label template that feels right for what you want. If you don't see the perfect one, don't worry, you can adjust sizes and elements later as needed. Now let's make this label your own. Click on the text element in the template, or if there isn't one, hit text on the sidebar to add your own. Start typing in the name of your brand, product, or whatever text you want. This is where your label starts to show its identity, so think about what's most important for people to see at a glance. You can play with different fonts, sizes, and placements. Just click around and you'll see how easy it is to make changes until it looks just right. Color is super important too, as it gives your label its personality and makes sure it stands out. Head over to the background by clicking anywhere outside the main elements and look for the color picker up top. Choose a color that fits your vibe, whether it's something bold and bright for jams and jellies or calm and elegant for bath products. Don't stress too much if you're unsure. Canva lets you change it as many times as you like. Once your background feels right, it's time to add some visuals. Click the Elements tab or hit the Uploads button if you want to use your own images or logo. A picture, icon, or pattern really helps bring your label to life and grabs attention. For example, if you're labeling homemade candles, maybe add a cute candle icon or a soft floral image. Position it wherever it fits best, and remember, there's no wrong way to be creative here. If you're feeling stuck, try shuffling things around or exploring Canva's free photos and graphics. You might stumble on something perfect. Now take a moment to look at your label as a whole. Ask yourself, does it reflect what I want people to think or feel about my product? Is it easy to read? This part might take a few tweaks, and that's totally normal. Sometimes just nudging an element or changing up the layout a bit can make everything click together. When you're happy with the look, it's time for the final step. Hit the Share button at the top right and then click Download. Choose PDF Print as your format. This keeps your labels crisp and ensures they print nicely at home. If you're printing to sticker paper or label sheets, double-check the size settings on both Canva and your printer for the best results. And just like that, you've designed and printed your very own labels. See, not too tricky, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and don't hesitate to drop any questions or share your designs in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. And of course, subscribe for more easy, beginner-friendly tutorials like this. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next one.